Hi, let's take a look inside the new Nissan Terra VE, the practical family SUV that's big on safety, space, and style. Within the plush interiors of this intelligent 7-seater, a suite of integrated technology and class-leading in-cabin entertainment sets this SUV apart from the rest. You and your family can make your own road in this smart, comfortable, and exciting ride. With the intelligent key system, the experience starts with a push of a button. Proximity sensor detects you nearby and allows you to lock and unlock doors, as well as activate the push-start ignition without having to take out your keys. Imagine going on a long road trip with Nissan Intelligent Mobility technology. The new Terra is designed for your optimum safety and convenience. When it comes to safety, the new Nissan Terra is uncompromising. Protect your family on the road with Nissan Safety Shield. Experience intuitive driving on a whole new level with lane departure warning. If your Terra starts drifting out of its lane, the system will automatically alert you. Intelligent driver alertness helps monitor your well-being behind the wheel. The system can determine that driver attention is reduced based on steering behavior. If this happens, an audible chime prompts the driver to take a break. To detect possible collisions, there's Intelligent Forward Collision Warning, while Intelligent Emergency Braking slows down and stops the car for you if you don't step on your brakes in time. Sophisticated interiors are complemented by class-leading features for your family's comfort. View essential vehicle information with a 7-inch Advanced Drive Assist display. Stats like speed, fuel consumption, and range are easily accessible at a glance. When your family loads a lot of stuff in your cargo for the trip, the intelligent rear view mirror gives you an unobstructed view of your rear. World-class infotainment systems enhance the riding experience. The Nissan 8-inch advanced touchscreen display audio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto gives you accessibility and convenience. Stay connected with hands-free calls, voice command, and phone mirroring. Elegance, comfort, and design with your safety in mind. That's what you get with the new Nissan Terra. Front row zero-gravity seats are ergonomically designed for back and leg support, so long rides don't feel tiring. Second row fold and tumble with one-touch remote switch makes folding seats easy with just a push of a button. And 6 SRS airbags assure occupant protection for all 3 rows. With the new Nissan Terra's generously appointed cabin, luxurious interiors, and big cargo space, family trips are made even more fun and enjoyable. Drive and command in style with the SUV designed for the modern family. Discover and live a 360-degree life with the new Nissan Terra VE.